What is your name and what is your astrological sign?
Mookie, and I'm a Virgo.
Virgo, okay. What's your name and who are you voting for president?
Sundance.
McCain. What's your name and how tall are you?
5'6".
Alright, you got very important questions.
On a good day.
What's your name and do you know where you are?
Yes, I am, and no, I don't.
Yes! You just made a Chinese restaurant American.
Yeah. What floor is it on?
What floor? Fifth.
I like it. That's good.
I like it. Hey, La Wei Chan, La Wei. Kick it off. Audience, are you ready to count to 3? Here we go. 1, 2, let's get ready to
Alright. So, man over there.
You're gonna win the whole shit, dude.
Hey, I won the first round.
Bring it home.
Thank you, manager. I'm on 50%. 50%, 50%.
You guys wanna go upstairs?
That's how we do it in the US.
Thank you. I told you I was gonna win. I told you.
That's how we roll.
Well, who's got the white papers, right? White papers. For Michael right here.
Do it like you do at home.
This is like we're at a funeral or something. Who died? Alright, so she's let's see, you guys pearls a little bit. She's working on her pearls. She's got her, oh.
You gotta eat your pizza. Hurry.
We got our two secret judges from Conneaut here. They're making sure nobody cheats when you're here.
Oh, that's beef, dude. That's going straight down. You know you like it. Yeah.
There you go.
We don't need no puke.
Ooh, eat fresh. Jared will be proud.
Is that Mexican milk? $100.
That actually is ready for the floor. You do a little dance, shake it on down. You know there's people.
Taco's gone, dude.
Oh, don't get beat by a girl. Oh, she went for taco. She has a taco.
Keep chewing.
Don't get beat by a girl. Let's go. 15 seconds. Come on. The women are prevailing. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, stop. Whatever's in your mouth, you can. That's the girl. Alright, congratulations to Mookie. Done the impossible. Never underestimate the power of a female and a Mookie.
Smile for you too.
Alright, we're going to give you $100 in photo cash. Congratulations.